Legal implications of AI bias. The legal implications of AI bias are increasingly relevant as artificial intelligence becomes more prevalent in decision-making processes across various sectors. AI systems, often trained on large datasets, can inadvertently perpetuate or even exacerbate existing biases present in the data. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes that have significant legal repercussions for organizations. Understanding and mitigating AI bias is not only a technical challenge, but also a legal and ethical imperative. Professionals in the field of AI compliance and ethics auditing must be equipped with the knowledge and tools to address these challenges effectively. AI bias can manifest in several ways, including bias in data collection, algorithmic bias, and bias in the interpretation of AI outputs. Data collection bias occurs when the data used to train AI models reflects societal prejudices or lacks diversity. For instance, facial recognition systems have been found to perform poorly on individuals with darker skin tones due to underrepresentation in training datasets. Algorithmic bias arises when the design of the AI system itself introduces biases, either through the choice of algorithms or the way they are implemented. Interpretive bias happens when the outputs of AI systems are misunderstood or misused, leading to biased decision-making. Legal frameworks such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union and the Equal Credit Opportunity Act in the United States provide guidelines on the fair and unbiased use of AI. Under the GDPR, individuals have the right to not be subject to decisions based solely on automated processing, including profiling, which significantly affects them. The ECOA prohibits discrimination in credit decisions based on race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, or age. Violating these regulations can lead to substantial legal penalties, making it crucial for organizations to ensure their AI systems are compliant. To address AI bias, professionals can employ a variety of practical tools and frameworks. One effective tool is the Fairness, Accountability, and Transparency in Machine Learning framework, which provides guidelines for ensuring fairness in AI systems. This framework emphasizes the importance of transparency in AI processes, accountability in decision-making, and fairness in outcomes. By adopting the FAT-ML framework, organizations can systematically identify and mitigate biases in their AI systems. Another valuable framework is the AI Fairness 360 Toolkit developed by IBM, which offers a comprehensive suite of metrics and algorithms to detect and mitigate bias in AI models. This open-source toolkit provides a step-by-step approach for auditing AI systems, starting with the identification of potential bias, followed by measuring the extent of bias using various metrics, and finally applying bias mitigation algorithms to reduce or eliminate bias. The AI Fairness 360 Toolkit is particularly useful for professionals who need to audit AI systems for compliance with legal and ethical standards. A practical application of these tools can be seen in the case of a financial institution using AI for credit risk assessment. By implementing the AI Fairness 360 Toolkit, the institution can evaluate their AI models for potential biases against protected groups, such as racial minorities or women. The toolkit can help identify whether the models disproportionately deny credit to these groups and provide recommendations for adjustments to ensure fair treatment. This process not only helps the institution comply with regulations like the ECOA, but also enhances trust and fairness in their decision-making processes. In addition to technical tools, organizations must also adopt governance frameworks to oversee the ethical use of AI. The Algorithmic Accountability Act, proposed in the United States, highlights the need for impact assessments of automated decision systems to ensure they do not result in discriminatory outcomes. Organizations can conduct internal audits to assess the impact of their AI systems, identify potential biases, and implement corrective measures. These audits should involve diverse stakeholders, including ethicists, legal experts, and representatives from affected communities, to ensure a comprehensive evaluation of AI systems. Education and training are also critical components of addressing AI bias. Professionals must be equipped with the knowledge and skills to understand the complexities of AI systems and the potential for bias. Training programs such as the Certified AI Compliance and Ethics Auditor course can provide professionals with the necessary expertise to audit AI systems for fairness and bias. These programs should cover topics such as understanding bias in AI, legal and ethical considerations, and practical tools and frameworks for bias mitigation. The legal implications of AI bias are not limited to regulatory compliance, but also encompass reputational risks. Organizations found to have biased AI systems may face public backlash, leading to loss of customer trust and potential financial losses. For example, a well-known tech company faced criticism and legal challenges when its hiring algorithm was found to favor male candidates over equally qualified female candidates. The company had to discontinue the use of the algorithm and implement measures to prevent similar issues in the future. This case underscores the importance of proactively addressing AI bias to avoid legal and reputational consequences. In conclusion, the legal implications of AI bias are multifaceted, encompassing regulatory compliance, ethical considerations, and reputational risks. Professionals auditing AI systems for fairness and bias must employ a combination of practical tools, frameworks, and governance structures to effectively address these challenges. The FAT-ML framework and the AI Fairness 360 Toolkit provide valuable resources for identifying and mitigating bias in AI systems. Additionally, organizations must conduct regular audits and engage diverse stakeholders to ensure the ethical use of AI. Education and training programs are essential for equipping professionals with the necessary skills to navigate the complexities of AI bias. By taking these steps, organizations can not only comply with legal requirements, but also foster trust and fairness in their AI-driven decisions.